The bifold comes with many co-extruded accessories to ease your install. Two built-in features are, in the trolley track for the head, you can use this to actually anchor the head. The screw needs to be short, have a short head to give clearance to the screws. Your jams come with a pre-assembled pocket as well for them to install that has a beauty cap. One of the available places to anchor the bifold is through the chute bolt track in the sill. These fasteners will need to take special care to avoid 6 inches of your panel interaction to avoid contacting the chute bolt system. These screws will also need to be sealed very well in this application.